So in this Webull tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to have a bright theme or a bright background theme on your Webull account here in the Webull application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Webull app. Once that is done, I want you to go into the bottom right and press on Menu. Once you're in the menu tab, simply go down to where it says shortcuts right here and then press on settings, the little gear icon in between help center and market quotes. Press on settings. Then just scroll down to the bottom here till you come across theme right here. Simply just press on theme. Now, if you want to change it to a bright theme, it's super straightforward. So for me right now, it actually is defaulted to the dark theme. But if you want to go ahead and make the background lighter color or white, press on bright right here. Now your background's white. So if you were to exit out of here, as you can tell, everything is sort of a white background. And if you want to change it, go back the exact same way, press on settings, go to where it says theme, and then change it back to dark or whatever you're looking for in regards to the theme. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to have a bright theme background, I guess, here on your Webull account. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.